So today I'm going to show you how to link up your bank account with Cash App. So what we're going to do is quickly go ahead and just log over here onto Cash App, and we're going to go ahead and kind of just get started with what you normally see mainly on screen, which is kind of this screen right here. You're going to see the number 0, you're going to see a bunch of numbers, the pay and request. So what we want to do is click on the bottom left side of the screen. You'll either see a dollar amount if you have money in the account, or if you don't, you're going to see a little picture of kind of like a bank in some ways. So we're going to go ahead and click on that button right over here. And then you're going to see a couple pieces of information. But the thing we want to do is go ahead and click on linked accounts. So we want to go ahead and click on there. And then what we're going to see is the options right over here where it says link credit card. Now, for me, I already have a debit card, and I also already have a bank account linked up to this Cash App account. So if you don't have those things already, you're going to have the ability to go ahead and link up those options as well for you. And that's how you're going to go ahead and add a bank account or a credit card or even a debit card onto your Cash App account. Now, if you want to keep on learning more quick tutorials when it comes to Cash App, check out my next video right over here. My name is Dennis, and I will see you in that next video.